Hey, my name's John. The Grands call me Grumpy, and you have found Grumpy's Peppers, and I'm glad you did, so thank you. Today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about the Minorcan Datil pepper. It's a very special pepper in the state of Florida, and I'm going to give you a thumbnail sketch history on it. Now, a Scottish physician and diplomat named Dr. Andrew Turnbull was the British consul at Smyrna of the Ottoman Empire. In 1667, he brought over a group of indentured servants from the Spanish island of Minorca to work at a plantation called New Smyrna. This plantation project failed. However, the town of New Smyrna Beach does exist and is about 73 miles south of St. Augustine. Now, in 1777, many of the settlers who survived the failed colony walked to St. Augustine, the first city of the United States. It is widely believed that the Minorcans brought the datil pepper seeds into St. Augustine at this time. Others argue that the pepper may have arrived in Florida during the Second Spanish period, which was from 1784 to 1821, after Florida was returned to Spain in 1783 through the Caribbean trade routes. Now, honestly, I don't know what's true. I do know that this pepper is held in very high regard in St. Augustine. I also know that whether it was brought into St. Augustine in 1777 by the Minorcan settlers or by the Caribbean trade routes a decade later, it was the Minorcan settlers who grew it, cultivated it, and made it something special in Florida. You can't argue with that. Now, that's a lot of history on one particular pepper, but you don't really find them anywhere else. And I've never actually heard of this pepper up until this past year. Now, I'm from Maine. So my Florida knowledge I'm still gaining and acquiring. I have two of the datil peppers growing right now. One is a seedling I purchased from Rockledge Gardens. You may have seen the yep. You may have seen the video I posted last week concerning Rockledge Gardens. It's a brief tour of the place. I love the place. My wife and I went there and took a little video of it. So you might have seen that. Also, one of my daughters gave me a packet of seeds that she purchased in St. Augustine when she was there on a trip. And, of course, I had to plant them. Out of a package of 12 seeds, I had one seedling germinate. I had one seed germinated. And it was touch and go for a while. It fought. Now, keep in mind, I'm still new at what I'm doing here. I'm still working all of this out. So I'm sure a lot of it was user error, as I've said in the past, that some of things that I've grown, but it has taken off. Now the weather in Florida has cooled down a little bit, and I think that helped because I didn't use any shade cloth when I grew this past season, and I will correct that error for next time. So things might have gotten a little too hot, which slows it down. And sometimes they'll also put the plant under duress, and you have to fight off aphids and things of that nature, which I had to do on this particular plant. But right now, it has really taken off. I've got some. It's given me one pepper that has matured and ripened up, and it has a bunch of green ones on there. And I'm very excited about this. I'm going to make my goal on this is to make some kick-ass sauce on it. So that's my goal. Now. This is the pepper. I'm going to take that tail off. It's a bright orange pepper. Now, if you get a pepper, a datil pepper, and it's red or it's yellow, it's not bright orange, the odds are good it's not an actual or a complete datil. It's possible that it somehow has been genetically altered. And that happens just through nature, Cross-pollination happens in nature. So it's nothing that I would truly stress on. It's just in Florida, considering the amount of rabid fans of this pepper and they really are very rabid. They will tell you that it's not a true datil pepper. Mine are orange, so I'm very happy about that. The Scoville on these is about the same as a habanero. It is part of the capsicum chinese family. And the Scoville on it is between 100,000 and 300,000. So, that's quite a bit. I'm going to go ahead and eat this and give you my thoughts on it. I'm very excited. You have no idea how excited I am. This is one of those plants that I made it my life's mission to make sure it did not die. The fact that I only got the one just made me so excited. Anyway, so here we go. It's got the heat, obviously. And then, yeah, it's about as hot as a habanero. It's fruity. It's nice. There's a little bit of a tang to it as well. I like that. Yeah, that is a very good pepper. It's got the heat and it's got the flavor. This is what I hoped the Scotch bonnet would have been. Now, I've had people tell me that the Scotch bonnet is a fruity pepper. Maybe maybe the pepper I had wasn't a true Scotch bonnet. Sorry if I hit the mic. And that's a possibility. But this has some really good flavor to it. It's very, and I got the hiccups starting. Excellent. That's because I ate a hot pepper fast. Anyway, it's good. I like it a lot. I'm looking forward to the batch I get in. The hiccups just keep coming. And I just wanted to share that with you. So anyway, I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you're finding your zen and doing what you need to do to keep your mind and heart healthy as well as your body. And I encourage you to get a hot pepper. Bite into it. That'll make you think things through. Anyway, you guys have a great day. I am out of here. I've got to go, probably get a little bit of milk or ice cream. Talk to you later. See you next time. Oh, if you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want, go ahead and subscribe. I try to get these things out once a week or thereabouts. So at any rate, take care, and I'll talk to you next time.